Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to enable or disable fast charging in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to battery, and here select charging settings, and you have to turn on this button fast charging so that you can enable fast charging. Okay, now fast charging will be done if you connect your phone to charger. Okay, suppose if you don't want fast charging, if you need only slow charging, you don't have any fast charger in your home, just you can use other charger, and you can disable fast charging so that charging will be effective. Okay, so turn off fast charging in such case. Okay, so in this way you can easily enable fast charging if it is needed, or if you would like to disable fast charging, you can do it by turning it off. Okay, so in this way you can easily do fast charging or not fast charging in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.